You're talking, and suddenly, you can't stop. Why do hiccups happen? They're annoying, sometimes funny, and always unexpected. But behind that little hic is a whole series of things happening inside your body. It starts with your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle under your lungs. When it contracts too quickly or gets irritated, it pulls air suddenly into your lungs. At the same time, your vocal cords snap shut, and that's what makes the hic sound. But what triggers it? Eating too fast, drinking something carbonated, or even sudden excitement. Sometimes even stress or a cold breeze can set it off. Most hiccups go away on their own, but if they last for hours or days, it could be a sign of a nerve or brain issue. So yeah, hiccups are tiny spasms with big stories. Next time you hiccup, just know your diaphragm's throwing a mini tantrum.